Engineering education is going to change in the next 10 years more than it has probably in its history. And so our students have been using Autodesk tools to create their CAD designs, and they've been using ANSYS to figure out how these designs are going to behave.
The connection of two powerful platforms in this way is really transformative. So we see this union of these two powerful platforms as an opportunity for bringing together communities that are involved with both the design element and the simulation element together.
Now we have the two primary sets of tools, the Autodesk that we're using for CAD and for geometry, and ANSYS that we're using for physics, talking to each other much better.
Computer-aided design lies at the heart of all of the new designs that we are able to do in engineering.
We want to be able to come up with something that we think is going to work and then analyze it, say, well, how can we make this better? One of the things that comes with that is the relationship between our CAD program and our analysis software.
Autodesk has always been, in our opinion, the strongest CAD platform around. It has, in fact, become an instrument of creativity and ingenuity in ways that really no other platform provides.
I see Autodesk as a natural kind of partner to what I've been doing with ANSYS.
I think of ANSYS really as the gold standard of simulation software. They've developed a really comprehensive suite that you can do all sorts of simulations in it, not just one specific thing.
And to have Fusion 360 talk to ANSYS Mechanical would be incredibly valuable to students.
It will allow us to seamlessly take designs that are done under Autodesk and connect them with ANSYS to simply allow this optimization process to occur more quickly.
And it enables our students to be leaders in creating the next generation engineering systems.
This partnership between ANSYS and Autodesk is really exciting for me as an engineer because it means that we can spend less time worrying about importing and exporting files and spend more time analyzing our designs, making good decisions, and creating a better product.